We all get only 24 hours in a day. Yet some people seem to manage everything smoothly, while others feel constantly overwhelmed. One of the biggest secrets behind this balance is learning how to say no and delegating tasks effectively. Today, let's explore the science of saying no and how delegation can transform your work-life balance. Part 1: Why it's hard to say no. Saying no isn't easy. Most of us want to be helpful. We fear disappointing others. Sometimes we say yes to avoid conflict or guilt. But every yes to something less important is a no to something that truly matters. If your schedule is full of other people's priorities, when will you focus on your own goals? Part 2: The power of saying no. Saying no is not selfish, it's smart. It's how you protect your energy, time, and mental health. It helps you stay focused on what truly matters. Start small. Say no without guilt. Be honest, polite, and clear. You don't have to give long explanations. A simple line like, "I appreciate it, but I won't be able to help this time," is enough. Over time, people will respect your boundaries more and you'll feel more in control. Part 3: Delegation is not a weakness. Many people believe doing everything themselves is a sign of strength, but real strength is in knowing what to let go. Delegation is not dumping your tasks. It's choosing the right person for the right job, so you can focus on higher value work. Think of leaders, CEOs, and successful professionals. They don't do it all, they delegate wisely. That's how they grow. Whether you're at home or at work, sharing responsibilities builds trust, improves efficiency, and frees up time for self-care.